Another one of our videos about timers and spraymation equipment. We've been talking a lot about timers in the recent videos, and we've talked about actuation. In the new timers, in the 3480 series with the 24-volt coils, they utilize the 305910 gun driver. The 305910 gun driver, we've talked about how it worked in another video, but we really never talked about how it gets actuated. And there's a data sheet for this thing, GR 305910. You can look at it. The front page shows all these wiring options. I just want to talk about it for a couple minutes. On the gun driver, there is a terminal strip. And it has 10, let's fix that, 10 terminals. These bottom two go off to the applicator, and this is a ground for the applicator. Up on the top is where you bring in your power. And you bring in a ground, of course, another ground. I can't count to 10, but we're going to continue. With 2 in the middle. Is that enough? 2, 4, 6, 8. One more? Okay. Okay, how about that? I think that's probably 10 now. Anyway, this is 4, 5, 6, and 7. I probably should have numbered them in the beginning to have actually figured out how many 10 is. Anyway, terminals 4 and 5 here are a voltage input. There is a jumper on the board out here somewhere. That is 5 to 15 volts, and then 12 to 24 volts. This just changes the resistor so you don't overheat some of the components inside the gun driver. If you're using it with a timer, use this, the 5 to 15. If you're using it with a PLC, you probably use the 12 to 24 volt option. Now these same terminals can be changed around a couple of ways. That if we jump 5 and 6 and come out here, we can have a switch here between 7 and 4, and when that switch is closed, it'll actuate the timer. We can also, just by moving this stuff around, if we have an open collector sensor out here, and I don't want to goof this up. Oh, okay. The collector comes down to 4. 5 and 7 get connected together, and they come to the positive input, and the emitter goes to 6. It's all here on the drawing, but just with these 4 terminals, we can do any kind of input. We can get an input from a PLC, we can accept a voltage, we can accept any kind of open collector input. This could be a photocell, this could be a proximity sensor. It's a real quick, easy way to right here on the gun driver, select these options. Once you've selected these options, it's done. The bottom part of the gun driver plugs into the auto-off test switch and to the actual timer module with telephone wire. There is no other wiring. If a customer gets his equipment and changes his mind about his actuation, it's 4 terminals. It's really simple. You can't go wrong. There's just one setup, one way for them to do it. So I hope this gives you maybe not an understanding, but a little more comfortable feeling about actuation. Thank you.